Hello, Dr. D and fellow classmates. In this brief presentation, I will discuss Vygotsky's theory of human development. First, I'll provide a summary of Vygotsky's theory of learning. Vygotsky presented in 1978 a theory that highlights the roles of one's society and culture in their development. He proclaims that learning occurs as a result of these components, and children develop concepts and strategies that aid in their thinking process when they encounter everyday tasks and problems. Discussing further Vygotsky's social cultural theory, he presents different central concepts and principles. One of the first ones are every culture passes along physical and cognitive tools that make daily living more effective and efficient. Not only do adults teach children specific ways of interpreting experiences, but they also pass along specific tools that can help children tackle the various of tasks and problems they are apt to face on a daily basis. Different cultures pass along different cognitive tools. Thus, Vygotsky's theory leads us to expect considerable diversity in children's specific cognitive abilities as a result of their various cultural backgrounds. A second concept that Vygotsky presents in this theory is children appropriate their cultural tools in their own manner. Children don't necessarily internalize exactly what they see and hear in a social context. Rather, they often transfer ideas, strategies, and other cognitive tools to suit their own needs and purposes. Vygotsky proposes that children learn very little from performing tasks they can already do independently. Instead, they develop primarily by attempting tasks that can accomplish only in collaboration with a more competent individual. So let's apply Vygotsky's theory to education. Cognitivists like Vygotsky believes learning is acquired through the incorporation of different techniques, methods, procedures, and organizations to promote the development of internal cognitive structures that result in the strengthening and enhancing of synapses in the brain. In the learning environment, the tasks or learning activities that students complete typically contributes to what they learn and how they will remember it, according to Amrod. Therefore, cognitivists like Vygotsky emphasizes on the need of assistance during the learning process. Students need assistance to effectively develop prior knowledge and integrate new knowledge. Integrating this theory in the education arena is extremely beneficial for educators as well as the learners. This theory emphasizes on the need for educators to develop conceptual knowledge, methods, and procedures in areas like mathematical problem solving while incorporating techniques that addresses verbal linguistics and logical mathematical intelligence. Students require a productive platform to develop schemas and adopt knowledge for interpersonal relationships and the learning environment. However, the teacher's role is extremely pedagogic. The educator must encourage learning by managing the content of the material that is presented in the classroom.